Is it recording? Oh, anyway. This is what happened when I tried to start this Corvette. Need help? Okay, let's see, can I do this? Just hold on a second. Okay. I remember he said put the key in and let it sit. Like almost like it's out of gas. And then I get this. Dum, dum, dum. Is it not charged yet or what? Well, let me let it. It's something pulling the battery down. Because I have bought another brand new battery. Do I have my finger over the thing? See, that just sound like it's out of gas, but it's gas in here. Okay. Let me take it out. I hope it's recording. I'm not even trying to be dealing with it no more after this. Okay. Remember he said, I couldn't remember if he turned the key when he put it in or did he just put it in and let it sit. Now it's clicking again. What is that? I don't even remember doing nothing like this. What is this clicking mess? Guess I'll let it sit some more.